So many of you were asking about the equipment that I use or the gear that I use while recording these high quality videos. So in today's video, I'll be revealing all the stuff that I use to record these high quality videos. So starting off with the cameras, because that's just what all like most of you asked about. So let's get started with the cameras. So I have different cameras for different purpose. So starting off with the studio camera, I normally use my default camera is the iPhone. So I'm using an iPhone 16 Pro Max right now, if you can see, and also I'm using 15 Pro Max, so both the 16 and 15. I have a 14, but I don't really know where, like I can't really find it. So we have the 15 and the 16 both for recording videos. It's pretty handy. It's pretty high quality, and also I use a Samsung S20 FE. I know it's pretty old, but still it gets the job done. And anyways, you have to be in balance with both the Android and the iPhone, so I use pretty much both. And while in studio, I use the iPhone 16 Pro Max for the primary recording. And when it comes for the outdoor recordings, I like to use my DSLR because that's pretty high quality too. So I use DSLR for outdoors. Indoors in studio, I use the iPhone, sometimes the Samsung, but I personally prefer the iPhone. It's pretty cool. And as per my audio recording equipment, we have the DJI Mic 2. So let me show you. This is the DJI Mic 2 case. This is how it looks like. And pop it off and you can see equipments. But this is the mic that I use normally. So as you can see, if it focuses, yeah, it's the Mic 2. It looks pretty cool. It gets the job done. It's really high quality. It's pretty small, portable, all the good stuff. And when it comes to when my studio recording in my computer, I use a software most of you probably know. It's called OBS. So this is how I'm recording right now. OBS, and I have all this stuff over here. Now you might be wondering, how can I connect such powerful phone to OBS to record these high quality videos? So for now, there's like no generic support that you can directly connect your phone to a computer. Maybe there is for Android, but not for iPhone primarily. So I have to use a software called Droidcam OBS. So it is a pretty high quality software. Let me show you. You can just download it from the internet. It's Droidcam OBS. And there you go. We have our. Now, how do I set up the cameras that I'm going to use? So to set up, you have to fill out all these stuff. So like the resolution. There's a fun thing about the resolution, the format, the device they're using, and many other stuff. So let's get started with the resolution. For now, we'll just set it to 1080, but you'll say that no, iPhone has the camera quality up to 4K, and I agree with it. It does have it. So how can I unlock the 4K? Because it's just showing 1080p for right now. So what I can do is, if you type here 4K in the Wi-Fi IP slot, nowhere else, you can see it's Droidcam OBS, and when you scroll down, Wi-Fi IP slot, and you write 4K, and then you press activate for once. Look at this extra window pop up saying extra video resolutions unlocked. Save and reopen properties for updated resolution list. And you hit OK, and we'll just close it. You can just discard. And look, we have 4K unlocked. So this is a pretty handy technique to use your full potential of your phone to get the most highest quality recordings. And as for the video format, I like to put it on H.264, and you have to search for your device using your Wi-Fi IP. Though I'm not gonna reveal it here because I don't want to show my IP address, so I'll just connect it over here. Another thing, there's also Droidcam port, so some might change it, so you have to enter the exact port that you have changed on your phone. So I'll just connect over here, and then just press activate, and voila, you can see that it has connected. So it is pretty. Also, you have to set your OBS to 4K because mine is set to 1080 for now. But now we have a 4K webcam, and you can see the quality is so crystal clear. You can use this sort of technique to get the best quality for your recording. So this was a not so brief tour of the equipments that I use. If you want a guided setup tour, you can comment me down below and I'll bring out a video on that. So thanks for watching.